Underpower video demonstration of the Toyota GL4P100E Type 2 CNC cylindrical grinder. 35,479 hours on it, new in 2000. No, it's been very, very well maintained. The swing over the bed is 12.6 inches. X-axis is 9.76 and between centers is 39.4 inches with a 7.5 inch wheel head, horsepower wheel head. And I know that the horsepower on the work head was upgraded a while ago. It's a little bit more than what it was originally. The wheel size is 2 inches by 16 inches. There is some gauging on the end of the table, which they never really required to use, but it's here and it will operate. Control is a GC32. This is a machine running in the plant. This machine is being sold along with 3 other machines because the project has been completed and the company is going in a completely new direction. Do a little bit of a walk around. Magnetic filtration. Overall, you look at machines like this, if it's in a high production situation, they're black. This thing still has color on it. It's still running, still holding temps. Very nice machine. Just moving the X-axis and listen to it. There is no noise.